Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP MSET 2021 preparation strategy for the 30 days for the subject chemistry. In this video we will see how you can prepare within a short span of time of 30 days for MSET chemistry. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Already we have uploaded the important MCQs of physics and chemistry, and we are trying our level best to upload it soon for each and every chapter MCQ questions. Let us start the video. If you see the 30 days preparation plan for TSAP MSET for chemistry, we know that chemistry is divided into three parts: first year chemistry, second year chemistry. The whole chemistry of intermediate is divided in three parts. The first is inorganic chemistry, second is physical chemistry, third is organic chemistry. Most of the time what happens, this organic chemistry, the third one, they fetch 40% of the marks. If you see, if you are a student of chemistry or a second year student, if you are preparing for the chemistry, first I suggest you go with organic chemistry. Why? Because 40% of the question of TS and APM set comes from organic chemistry. Remaining 60%, 30% goes to inorganic chemistry, 30% goes to physical chemistry. If you practice, I will give you the list of chapter of all inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry. Try to practice those all chapter, as well as we are also giving the MCQs that definitely help you. Before going for a new MCQs or anything, first I request you revise your syllabus. Why? Because you are already a student and you have studied the chemistry of first year, chemistry of second year, you already know. So once, before going to start any preparation, I would like to request you, please revise your syllabus, then start preparation for this. Let us know how you can prepare for that. So in organic chemistry, if you see, the chapters which cover inorganic chemistry is classification of elements, hydrogen, S block, P block, environmental chemistry, DNF block, coordination compound. These are all theory chapters, guys. There is no practical. See, all these chapters you practice all VSCQs first. If you practice all VSCQs, exercise question, that definitely help you to get good marks in inorganic chemistry. Basic tip, guys. And this year we are expecting a easy paper for TS and APM set. The reason is, last year 2020 the student, they went to colleges, they attended the classes, but this time the student face a lot of difficulty. Why? Because all students are going online classes. Even someone they don't understand, the examiners, the people, those who are making the paper, they themselves know that this is a very tough time for the students. So they are also expecting, or they will make a easy paper. This year we have a more expectation that you will get a very easy paper for TS and AP MSET 2021. So inorganic chemistry is very basic, guys. Practice all exercise question. Simple tips, guys. 3-step tips I am giving you. Revise the syllabus, read the VSCQs, and then all these 7 chapter, revise the syllabus, read the VSCQs, practice the exercise question. That is finished, guys. And at the same time, we are also providing you the MCQs that practice that, then practice previous year question that definitely give you good marks in inorganic chemistry. Let us go to the physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a chemistry that deals with most of the name physical chemistry is given by, because in this chapter you will have the numerical states of matter, structure of atom, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, redox reaction, solid state, solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry. These are the chapter in which there are numerical problem. So for physical chemistry, your tips should be 3 tips: revise syllabus, read the VSCQs, practice the exercise question. Next, let us come to the last part, that is organic chemistry. Very important. Organic chemistry, 40% of the coverage, that gives you more coverage for your for your examination. First is general organic chemistry, hydrocarbon, organic compound, alcohol, phenyl, ether, aldehydes, ketone, carboxylic acid, organic compound containing nitrogen, biomolecules. Organic compound containing nitrogen, some part of the syllabus is deleted. So for TS, some part of the syllabus is deleted, and for AP, check with them whether organic compound containing nitrogen deleted. Don't practice that. Biomolecules, very important chapter. If you practice for this, revise the syllabus, VSAQs, then exercise question that definitely give you good marks in organic chemistry. 30 days preparation. Do your preparation should be like this, that in 10 days you finish organic chemistry, 10 days finish physical chemistry, 10 days organic chemistry. Then it will be very beneficial. At the same time, practice the previous year questions as well as the mock test. Definitely we will give you the mock test at the last. After 25 days I will release the mock test, 5 mock tests that definitely give you good marks. Thanks for watching.